Hey, this is Daddy's Workshop at the Carolinas, where we treasure things made and restored by hand. So this is just a shout out video regarding the 2022 OWWM/Vintage Machinery calendar. This is always a great calendar that's put together by the folks at OWWM, and this year I received the distinct honor and privilege of being included in the calendar. If you flip to the August page, you see the Delta Unisaw Restoration Cube. It was a great privilege to be included this year. Good folks at OWWM got a hold of me, and great calendar, great project, great folks. If you are not already a member of OWWM, if you're not familiar with vintagemachinery.org and OWWM.org, you need to be. Great folks who know a lot about vintage machinery, always willing to be helpful. I've learned so much from them and met many of them in person as well. Great folks, and continue to learn from them all the time. So, great honor to be included in the calendar. Just shout out to those folks there. Of course, the calendar has all sorts of other amazing pictures of projects and so forth. Good inspiration for restorations for your projects and for mine, but I'm not going to give away those secrets. You should buy one next year. Great calendars, great folks, and great projects, great inspiration, because if I can do it, you can do it.